I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing both devices and checking storage and power levels. Make sure your iPhone and Mac have at least 5% battery each before starting. Connect the iPhone to the Mac using a certified Lightning or USB-C cable, depending on your model. Unlock your iPhone and tap Trust when prompted to allow the connection. On the Mac, open Finder for Mac OS Catalina or later, or Photos for older Mac OS versions. Check available Mac storage and aim for at least the size of your photo and video library. Begin the import process once the devices are connected and trusted. Open Finder on Mac OS Catalina or later and select your iPhone from the sidebar. For older Mac OS, open the Photos app and choose your device under Devices. Use Import all new items to copy everything new or select specific photos and videos manually and click Import selected. Watch the progress bar until it completes and wait for the Mac to finish writing files. Verify that all imported items appear in the Photos app or in your chosen folder on the Mac. Decide whether to use Cloud Sync or local backups for ongoing protection. Enable iCloud Photos on the iPhone and Mac to sync images automatically if you prefer cloud backups. For local backups, create a Finder backup or use Time Machine on the Mac to capture full device data periodically. Schedule regular manual imports if you do not use iCloud and organize imported folders by date for easy retrieval. Finally, verify backups regularly by opening Photos or your backup drive and confirming recent images and videos are present.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.